Hello everyone, my name is Sean. I'm the Crypto Smith. Welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be an update on the market. And if you are alive today, you will see the market is red. It's down. It's horrible. The world is crashing. I don't know what we're going to do. I would stay away from sharp objects and tall buildings, please. Don't hurt yourselves, people. So here we find ourselves another day down a little more. 28.5 for Bitcoin, just over $1,500 for Ethereum, right? Everything, my favorite XRP, 36.5 cents, right? Almost a good buying opportunity here. Let's check out what is happening. If you want to really see something that looks terrible, look at this. This is terrible. This is for the week. So this is how much everything is down for the week. If you don't have Crypto Bubbles, you got to go on cryptobubbles.net and check it out. This gives you a very quick snapshot of what's happened in the markets. A lot of times you're going to see some red, some green. I don't know what these two are, but these guys are bucking the trend right now. I'd be real happy if I was in this. But if you are looking for a sale, a deal, the market is down enough right now. Not financial advice. Okay, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you, this is how I think of things. This is what I would do. You start DCAing, you dollar cost average in. If you got into, let's say, Bitcoin, and you got in up here and you're still sitting on it, right? And you haven't sold yet, right? Remember, you're not losing anything until you sell. So if you haven't sold yet, you want a dollar cost average. And what does that mean for those of you who don't know? That means you buy a little bit here and there as it drops in value. You're not looking to really buy on green candles. You're trying to buy on red candles when the market is dropping. And in down markets, that's where the money is made, when you're getting in at the bottom, or what you think might be the bottom, even though you're not really going to time it just right to where you get in at the bottom. So just near it, that works sufficiently. So as we're dropping here, and we are dropping through 28,000, you want to, buy a little more, and then plan on, having something in reserve so that you can buy if it drops a little further. And right now, since we're at 28.5, our next bottom is around 22,000, right? That's this little bit of support over here. And that's kind of looks like the next floor. Once we pass through this week with the interest rates hike coming out later this week, we expect to see more rate hikes. Can't really tell how the market's going to react. It's always a weird thing. Usually they react very poorly, right? The market's going to drop. Everybody's going to start selling. Interest rates are going up. But because we know interest rates are going to go up, is that already priced into the market? I don't know. Do you know? If you know, let me know. I'd appreciate it. Leave me a comment and tell me what I should be doing this week. So I'm going to start DCAing in this week, I think, after we hear about the rate hike and kind of see where what the market does at that point. So anyway, 22,000, somewhere around there. That's the next floor for Bitcoin, if you were wondering. Ethereum, right? We're right here. We are at $15,041. I'm sorry. We're at $1,541. Next floor, $1,300. Might be a good buying opportunity. Depends on your risk profile, right? If you want to jump in here, or if you think it's going to continue to drop. I don't know that it's going to drop that much further, but then again, I'm not a mind reader. I'm not a fortune teller. I can't see the future. Here's your crypto bubbles, just in case you missed it. I want to talk about Saitama just for a quick second, even though I know it's kind of depressing. If you're in the wolf pack, you're probably depressed today because Saitama is looking horrible. Why is it looking horrible, you ask? Well, that's a great question. Thanks for asking. They've only airdropped at this point like 18,000 holders. And that may not be 18,000 airdrops. That may be 17,000 airdrops and 1,000 people who weren't in V1. Maybe they got new wallets when they bought in. And of course, if they're buying in now, they're probably not happy. This is horrible. And I'll tell you why this is terrible. Because Saitama screwed up again. They've managed to bungle their opportunity to turn things around, and they missed it again. So I don't know what to say other than that, but this is where you're at, Wolfpack, and I'm sorry for that. Maybe it can turn around, but I don't know. Also, I really want to mention this. What the hell is going on here? This is Saitama V1. Okay, this is their V1 token. This is where they pulled all the liquidity out, so they moved it over to V2, this one right here, which isn't looking good. How is Saitama V1 up? I'll tell you how, because there's a lot of people, and I'm not going to call names, let's just say they're not super intelligent people, are buying V1 for some reason. So if you're doing this and you're listening to me, stop doing it. Okay? Get your money out and run somewhere else. Stop buying Saitama V1. This is stupid. I don't know what to say when I open this up and I say, hey, look, at Saitama V1 is the only one in the green today. I had to laugh, right? Because it's funny. Why would anybody be buying Saitama V1? It's dead. It's over. Okay. You have to move on. It's time to go home. Okay. Take your ball and go home. You have two things you can do. In my opinion, there are two choices you can make in markets like this, and only two. You can either hold and not sell anything, just sit on your hands, turn your computer off, lock up your wallet, throw everything in your ledger, and just go take a nap, right? Take a winter nap, come back in a couple of months and see what's going on. You can't lose your money unless you sell it. If you're in these blue chips, you can lose your money if you're holding on to some of these community tokens or meme coins that may not be around at the end of crypto winter. But if you're holding blue chips in some bigger projects, you're not losing anything unless you sell it. Chances are good, very good, that it's going to come back at some point in the future. That's option number one, is just to sit and hold. Option number two is to dollar cost average on the way down, right? I like that option because it's given me a chance to average my buy price lower and lower as the prices go lower and lower. So when it turns around and comes back in the next bull run, I've got a much larger chance of making money. And that's what we're here for, to make money. Okay. Don't tell me you're here for the tech. Okay. Because that's a lie. You know, that's a lie. You're here for the money. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick update. Maybe it wasn't so quick, but thanks for sticking it out. If you like my content, please give me a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. That does help me grow my channel. And for that, I appreciate you. Y'all have a good Saturday.